Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to easily apply a virtual Japanese styles makeup look using Google Gemini's newest editing tool, Nano Banana. This tool lets you instantly transform your photo just by typing a prompt. No need for real makeup or editing skill. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your Google Gemini. You can open it through your browser or through the app like this, and then just log in using your Google account. And once you're in, just tap on create image to activate the Nano Banana, or you can also activate it by tap on tools icon and then create images like this, and then just upload your photo. Make sure it's a clear photo with a good lighting so the result will will turns out beautiful. Just tap on plus button and then gallery and then just choose your photo. And then now here's come the fun part. Let's writing a prompt. Before I have already prepared one prompt like this. Like this. You can just copy my prompt or just feel free adjust it a bit depending on your vibe. Just describe the Japanese styles makeup that you like. Maybe more natural or a bit more glamour. Just totally up to you, just with your styles. Next, I will just copy my prompt and then go back to Gemini and then paste it. And when you're done, just tap on generate. And okay, like this. Just look at this, so pretty and natural, right? The makeup looks perfectly balanced, fresh skin, pinkish cheeks, and then those iconic soft Japanese lips. It's totally incredible and so beautiful. And I love how it keeps the face the same but give that elegant Japanese beauty glow. And okay, that's it. It's that simple, right? You don't need any makeup skills or editing apps. With just one prompt, you can get a flawless Japanese style look that perfect for your profile picture or maybe post or even aesthetic projects. So that's it for today's tutorial, virtual Japanese styles makeup using Nano Banana. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!